This video will introduce users to the ARM Geospatial Trial Map. Geospatial mapping creates visual representations of data linked to specific geographic locations. By using coordinates or addresses, it links data to real-world positions, helping identify patterns and trends often hidden in traditional data formats. The research industry continues to establish Geographic Information Systems, GIS, as the industry standard. GIS systems integrate various geospatial data layers, including soil maps, weather data, and remote sensing imagery, providing a comprehensive understanding of agricultural landscapes. Researchers utilize UAVs and drones for positioning trials, making applications, and remote sensing for assessments. The legacy ARM trial map does not offer the ability to share the exact polygons and exact locations of every plot. It was essentially a drawn picture image. Geospatial mapping is an important tool in agricultural research because it helps scientists identify characteristics happening in the field. Instead of just looking at numbers, researchers can view maps to correlate how different factors, like soil, weather, or treatments, affect crop and/or treatment performance in specific areas. Why it matters? Communication. Researchers have the ability to share their plot data, opening the doors for better communication between individuals and systems. For example, the cooperator can now plan around the plot or skip spraying a specific area. They could also have a drone company fly their location. Better understanding. Maps show patterns in soil quality, crop health, yield, and treatment results you can't see in tables. Smarter decisions. By spotting differences across a field, researchers can plan better trials and recommend more effective practices. Faster, more accurate work. Mapping helps quickly find problems or successes, making research more efficient and reliable. What it can do. Layer visualization. Combine different data sources, like treatments, soil zones, or imagery, on one map to see the interaction between layers and how they correlate. Attribute management. Click on any area of the map to view detailed information about that specific plot. Spatial selection. Choose plots to analyze based on where they are or what their data shows. Trial comparison. Compare results from different trials, seasons, or locations to see bigger trends. By using geospatial mapping, researchers get a clearer picture of what's happening in the field, leading to smarter, more targeted agricultural solutions. Think of geospatial tools like Google Maps. You're already using geospatial technology when you use your phone to navigate to a destination. Google Maps allows you to add layers, such as turning on buildings in addition to roads, giving you a better view of the environment. It also includes attributes. When you click on a building, you can find out it's a post office, see its hours of operation, and get its phone number. In more specialized applications, like agriculture, attributes of geospatial maps can include information on treatment types, replications, and what was planted in that specific spot 2 years ago. In agronomic research, data drives decisions, but location gives data context. That's where geospatial mapping comes in. Geospatial mapping allows researchers to visualize trial data across space, revealing patterns, variability, and trends that are impossible to see in spreadsheets alone. Whether it's tracking soil conditions, monitoring crop performance, or comparing treatment zones, maps transform raw data into actionable insights. With tools like shapefile layering, attribute tables, and spatial queries, researchers can quickly identify high and low-performing areas, analyze environmental influences, and guide future trial designs. Geospatial maps help visualize data that the naked eye can't see by layering information onto geographic locations. This allows patterns, trends, and relationships to become visible and understandable in a spatial context, making complex or invisible phenomena easier to analyze and act upon. And by mapping trials across locations and seasons, we gain a clearer picture of how agronomic practices perform over time and space. Geospatial mapping doesn't just display data, it helps you understand it. Harness the power of spatial insights in your agronomic research with the ARM Geospatial Trial Map.